Hi, welcome to the video training of Elixir language. We will be moving on with different videos within this series of tutorials. So I hope you will enjoy learning a new language and a new platform and doing some new experiments. So let's do the introduction first. Elixir is a dynamic functional language designed for building scalable and maintainable applications. Elixir leverages the Erlang virtual machine VM, known for running low latency, distributed and fault tolerant systems, while also being successfully used in web development, embedded software, data ingestion and multimedia processing domains across a wide range of industries. So what can it do? Suppose you have an IoT device, something like a weather sensor that is deployed around the world to collect the weather data, maybe around 1 million devices. These devices send the collected data to the server at specific time intervals. For a typical scenario, some may consider doing a rewrite of the existing code base to make it more distributed and scalable for the future. Well, Elixir could do a lot more here. Using Erlang's OTP, you could actually manage around 1.5 million devices with a 40-core server, and the language comes with an add-on to make it distributed. Seems amazing, right? So let's see the installation. Well, this is the most important and the first step before jumping into Elixir programming. For the Ubuntu or Debian, you have to install the Erlang solutions repository. You can wget it, the package, and then decompress it, then run the sudo apt get update. After that, install the Erlang OTP platform and all of its applications, that is sudo apt get install esl Erlang. And afterwards, the last step is to install the Elixir language. The reference link is elixir-lang.org/install.html. Here you can find the installation guide for installing Elixir on Windows, Mac OS and other platforms. Okay, let's look at the interactive mode of Elixir. When you install Elixir, you will have three new executables: IEX, Elixir and Elixir C. If you compiled Elixir from source or are using a packaged version, you can find these inside the bin directory. For now, let's start by running IEX or IEX.bat if you are on Windows PowerShell, where IEX is a PowerShell command, which stands for Interactive Elixir. In interactive mode, we can type any Elixir expression and get its result. Let's warm up with some basic expressions. Open up IEX and type the following expressions. You have to go to the command line in Windows or the terminal in Ubuntu. So I'm at the Ubuntu. So go into Elixir folder and okay, let's start the interactive mode IEX, and now I have entered the interactive mode. So if I type in 40 plus 2, the expression will be evaluated and it gives us the result, that is 42. Similarly, if I want to print out a string hello world, it gives us the string hello world. So that's how you can interact with the interactive mode. Okay, let's look at how you can run scripts. After getting familiar with the basics of the language, you may want to try writing simple programs. This can be accomplished by putting the following Elixir code into a file, that is io.puts hello world from Elixir. Save it as simple.exs and execute it with Elixir. So let us create the file. I have already that file in my folder, so I'm going to delete it and create the same file again, simple.exs, and I can say io.puts and Afterwards, in the double quotes, I can say hello world from Elixir. That's it. Save the file, go to the console, and let's run this program. To execute it, I need to type in Elixir followed by the file name, and there we go. Hello world from Elixir. It's that simple. Next video in this series will be on basic data types in Elixir, which will be hopefully tomorrow. So I hope that you have understood the basic concept of Elixir language and why it is different from conventional languages like PHP, Node.js, Ruby on Rails, etc. and how it can be used for high volume scalable applications. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The code you can download from my GitHub repository. See you next time with a new topic in Elixir.